Well, I'm doing something a little bit different today. I borrowed a tripod. I'm going to show some footage of me cutting some wood that I got from Serenity Homestead. She gave us some couple loads of firewood in this last batch. Some of it has to be cut up. Well, what I'm doing is I'm using a miter saw. I bought that thing on sale. It ended up being a compound miter saw, but so far its biggest use has been for firewood. So let me get a chunk of this firewood over here and let's see how it goes through the saw. It helps that I got a laser sight on this thing. It really helps. Yeah, it does a pretty good job of cutting. Let's cut a few more pieces. This is a fairly small piece here. Yeah, that compound miter saw does a pretty good job of cutting wood. It's a 10-inch saw. I paid like $189 for it or something. It was on sale. I think it was actually a closeout at the Big Orange box store. Uh, and the fact that it has a laser guide on it, that really helps. We got some other firewood that from the Reese store. And it would fit a typical stove, but ours is not typical. Like this in here, for example. This in here is now cut it in half. That's a pretty good job of cutting wood. So yeah, that was my that's how I'm cutting wood. We got another big old stack of wood over here. Right there. Most of that there needs to be split. And we got a dog chasing cats. But anyway, peace guys.